very important message for CA Final students preparing for May 2016 exams in this video.
What's up? बहुत सारे बच्चे मुझसे बार बार एक ही सवाल पूछ रहे थे कि सर ये इंड एएस IFRS का क्या चक्कर है. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आई हैव गॉट नो आइडिया अबाउट इट. तो हमारी टीम में है पूजा शर्मा और उनके खुद के एग्जाम्स हैं May 2016 में CA फाइनल के. तो मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करी कि कुछ अगर इस पर आपके पास इन्फॉर्मेशन है तो बता दीजिए. मेरा सब्जेक्ट नहीं है अकाउंटेंसी, सो मैं अब ये वीडियो हैंड ओवर कर रहा हूँ पूजा शर्मा को, जो आपको बताएंगी CA फाइनल के इंड एएस IFRS या जो एएस को लेके कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो गई है तो उनका क्या सोचना है. बहुत ध्यान से सुने, स्टे कनेक्टेड.
Hi everyone, I am Pooja Sharma, a CA final student preparing for the May 2016 exams. I have something important to share with you all. Don't be surprised to see me on this channel. And lastly, I want to thank Neeraj Arora sir for allowing me this opportunity to share this information with you all. So let's start. Disclaimer. I am a CA final student and whatever I am sharing in the video is totally based on my interpretation. My only intention is to share the information with you all. And in case if you have something additional to share to this video, please make sure that you comment below. And in case if I have wrongly interpreted something, please feel free to rectify me. Last month I was also dealing with the same kind of confusion as you are in, the confusion between the IND AS, the AS and the IFRS. What exactly has to be studied for the examination? It was really bothering me and my friends. So finally, I went with the notification released by ICI on 23rd of November 2015. So basically, there are three things that we have to deal with: AS, IND AS and IFRS. What is IFRS? IFRS is the International Financial Reporting Standards. These are globally accepted standards and have been used by major countries across the globe. Now, what are IND AS? IND AS is basically the name adopted by ICI for IFRS with carve-outs. Now what are carve-outs? Carve-outs are the differences between the IND AS and the IFRS. Now what we have to study is basically the three things in all. AS, all the accounting standards except three. AS 30, AS 31 and AS 32. We don't have to study these three AS and we have to study all the AS. In place of AS 30, 31 and 32, we have to study the IND AS that have been notified by the Government of India and that are IND AS 32, IND AS 107 and IND AS 109. In addition to this, we have to study the following things also. Introduction to IND AS, that is the summaries of all the IND AS. Number 2, the comparison between the IND AS and the AS and the comparison between the IND AS and the IFRS, and this thing, that is the comparison between IND AS and IFRS, has to be studied with the help of carve-outs. Now from where to study? Say thanks to ICI. ICI has provided the supplementary study material for all the stuff that I had told you right now. The study material provided by ICI contains the introduction and the summary to IND AS, the comparison between the IND AS and the AS, and the comparison between the IFRS and the IND AS, that is the carve-outs. So you can study all those stuff, all the stuff from there. Make sure you go through the illustrations also, because chances are 10-15 marks of the question paper would be from that topic. Now from where to get all the stuff? We are putting the link of the notification and the study material, the supplementary study material, right in the description. Make sure you go through the notification, download the study material and study hard from that. All the best for your exams. Stay connected, stay ahead, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends, and whoever needs it, make sure you subscribe to the channel also. Thank you. All the best.